And then the one that is required is the fair market value today. Our solution, use the formula PB is equal to R times 1 plus I raised to negative n over I. Substitute the value of R, which is 30,000, the value of I, which is 0.05, the value of n, which is 25. The computed value is 422,818 pesos and 34 centavos. Number 19. A cooperative pays 60,000 quarterly for 7 years in a fund discounted at 9% compounded quarterly. What is FMB? So our payment is R 60,000 quarterly. Number of years is 7. And then our n is 7 times 4. So we have 28 quarters for our number of periods n. The discount rate, which is the nominal rate, is 9% compounded quarterly. The period I is 0.09 over 4, which is 0.0225. The required is the fair market value today, which is equal to the present value of the annuity. So using the same formula, PB is equals to R times 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus I close in parenthesis negative n over I. Substitute the value of R, which is 60,000, the value of I, which is 0.0225, the value of n, which is 20, 28. The final answer is 1,236,469 pesos and 66 centavos. Number 20. An investor deposits 40,000 pesos monthly for 15 years at a discount rate of 6% compounded monthly. Find the fair market value. So payment are 40,000 pesos. Number of years is 15, and the number of periods is 15 times 12, 180 months, and that is our N. The discount rate nominal is 6% compounded monthly. And then our monthly I is 0.06 divided by 12, which is 0.005. We are asked to determine the fair market value today, which is the same as the present value of the annuity. Using the formula, PB is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n over I. Substituting the value of R, which is 40,000, I, computed I is 0.005, and the computed N, which is 180. The final answer is 4,740,140 pesos and 59 centavos. our MCQ for our quarter 4, Numbers and Algebra, Lesson Roman numeral number 4, Calculating the Fair Market Value of Cash Flows and Annuities. Number 1. A person deposits 12,000 pesos every year for 10 years in a fund, earning 6% compounded annually. What is the fair market value today of the annuity? Letter A, 85,567 pesos and 25 centavos. Letter B, 92,576 pesos and 80 centavos. Letter C, 98,450 pesos and 50 centavos. Letter D, 100 million pesos. Number 2. A cooperative receives 40,000 pesos annually for 15 years, discounted at 7% compounded annually. What is the FMB of this annuity? Letter A, 360,850 pesos and 45 centavos. Letter B, 372,200 pesos and 85 centavos. Letter C, 385,400 pesos and 65 centavos. Letter D, 395,800 pesos and 20 centavos. Number 3. A retirement plan pays 25,000 pesos at the beginning of each year for 8 years. If the discount rate is 5% annually, calculate the FMB. So letter A, 168,425 pesos and 90 centavos. Letter B, 172,850 pesos and 75 centavos. Letter C, 180,560 pesos and 25 centavos. Letter D, 190,000 pesos. Number 4. A company agrees to pay its supplier 80,000 pesos annually for 12 years. If the market rate is 8% compounded annually, find the fair market value. Letter A, 646,200 pesos and 55 centavos. Letter B, 658,780 pesos and 25 centavos. Letter C, 670,450 pesos and 15 centavos. Letter D, 680,900 pesos and 45 centavos. Number 5. An investor receives 10,000 pesos quarterly for 6 years, discounted at 9% compounded quarterly. What is the FMB? So letter A, 172,400 pesos and 85 centavos. Letter B, 178,560 pesos and 25 centavos. Letter C, 185,900 pesos and 45 centavos. Letter D, 192,100 pesos and 35 centavos. Number 6. A woman deposits 5,000 pesos annually for 3 years in a fund earning 10% compounded monthly. What is the present value of the annuity? Letter A, 156,250 pesos and 45 centavos. Letter B, 158,400 pesos and 80 centavos. Letter C, 160,750 pesos and 55 centavos. Letter D, 162,900 pesos and 95 centavos. Number 7. A firm invests 120,000 pesos annually for 20 years in a fund discounted at 12% compounded annually. What is the FMB? Letter A, 930,450 pesos and 35 centavos. Letter B, 940,800 pesos and 25 centavos. Letter C, 952,300 pesos and 60 centavos. Letter D, 965,700 pesos and 85 centavos. So number 8, a student pays 3,000 pesos at the beginning of every month for 5 years in a tuition plan at 6% compounded monthly. Find the FMB. A, 150,200 pesos and 65 centavos. Letter B, 155,900 pesos and 45 centavos. Letter C, 162,400 pesos and 85 centavos. Letter D, 168,500 pesos and 25 centavos. Number 9. A worker deposits 15,000 semi-annual for 10 years in a fund, earning 9% compounded semi-annually. What is the FMB? Letter A, 198,400 pesos and 25 centavos. Letter B, 204,900 pesos and 65 centavos. Letter C, 210,850 pesos and 95 centavos. Letter D, 215,600 pesos and 45 centavos.